Ah, the satisfaction of a gardener, not just in the blooming flowers and bountiful harvests, but in the quiet knowledge that we hold the power of next year's garden in our hands, or more accurately, in our seed packets. Collecting seeds is one of those simple joys that make gardening so rewarding. Plus, let's be honest, it's a fantastic way to save money. Who needs fancy seed catalogues when you have a garden bursting with potential? Think of it as a treasure hunt. Each seed head, pod, or fruit holds the promise of future blooms and harvests. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's delve into the world of seed saving. Now, before you go grabbing every wilting flower and plump fruit in sight, let's talk timing. Just like we wouldn't harvest tomatoes in January, collecting seeds requires a bit of patience and an eye for the right moment. Generally, you want to collect seeds when they're fully mature and dry. This usually means waiting until after the flower has faded and the seed head or fruit has turned brown and papery. Think of it like this. If the plant wouldn't mind a gentle breeze carrying its seeds away, then you're good to go. For flowers, this might mean waiting for the petals to fall and the seed head to dry completely. With vegetables, think plump, ripe fruits and pods that have started to dry on the vine. Some seeds, like those from fleshy fruits like tomatoes and cucumbers, need a bit of extra help to separate from the pulp. Alright, now for the fun part. Collecting those tiny treasures. The good news is, you don't need any fancy equipment. A pair of secateurs, a paper bag or basket, and a sunny, dry day are all you need to start your seed-saving adventure. When collecting seeds from dry seed heads, simply snip off the entire head and place it in your container. For pods, like beans and peas, allow them to dry completely on the plant before harvesting. For fleshy fruits, scoop out the seeds and pulp into a jar, add water, and let it sit for a few days. The good seeds will sink, and the pulp will float. Once you've collected your seeds, label them clearly with the plant name and date. Congratulations, you've successfully collected your seeds. Now the key is to store them properly so they stay viable for next year's garden. The golden rule of seed storage is to keep them cool, dry, and dark. Airtight containers like glass jars or plastic bags are ideal for storing seeds. Once you've filled your containers, pop them in a cool, dry place like a pantry, basement, or even the back of your fridge. Avoid storing seeds in humid or fluctuating temperatures, like a shed or garage. With proper storage, most seeds can remain viable for at least a year, and some for several years. It's always a good idea to do a germination test before sowing to check their viability. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Sowing those precious seeds and watching them come to life. There's a special kind of satisfaction that comes from nurturing a plant from a seed you collected yourself. Not only is it a testament to your gardening prowess, but it also helps to preserve plant varieties and promotes biodiversity. Plus, let's not forget the sense of accomplishment and the joy of witnessing the circle of life unfold in your own backyard. As you sow your seeds and nurture them into strong, healthy plants, take a moment to appreciate the magic of nature and the interconnectedness of it all. You've played a vital role in that cycle, and that's something to be proud of. So, go forth and sow those seeds with confidence, knowing that you've done your part to keep the cycle of life turning in your garden. There you have it. Seed saving is a simple yet rewarding practice that connects us to the natural world. It's about patience, observation, and a touch of magic. You might be surprised at what you can achieve with a little effort and a whole lot of love for gardening. Happy harvesting!